as of our class to the continuation of joins. So yesterday, as part of joins, we have completed till inner joins, correct?
Yeah, inner join.
Inner
We
join.
got
So
single
so
line.
so to understand the joins, you need to understand first of all in the perspective of seeing in Excel only. Okay, in by
Okay.
seeing in Excel only, you need to understand and get the output. अगर आपको ये समझ में आया तो बाद में हम कुछ क्वेरी लिख के आउटपुट आने के बाद वैसे समझ में आता, ठीक है? तो अपन इनर जॉइन को में आउटपुट लिखे हुआ ना यहाँ पे,
Hmm.
तो आप अभी ऐसा करेंगे कि नाउ व्हाट वी विल डू. So for the left join, so left join, suppose if you are doing join with the student table is on left. Okay, student table is on left, and left was courses table is on right. Let's do it join in that way. Okay, understood?
Yeah.
समझ में आया?
Yeah.
हाँ. तो so what student is on left table, so student is in left and courses is on right. So how it will be joined now? So how generally how the join is going to be happen? Join is going to be happen in general with using common common column. Yes or no? Common column. So what is the common column from student table and courses table? Student ID and student ID. So from student table, I'm taking all these columns. Like from here, suppose I'm taking all control C. Now, now if you see, this is all from student table. I've taken the common column is student ID from student ID. So student ID from both the tables. So here, if you see from both the tables, we have student ID. So from here also, we will take student ID. Okay. Now this is the table of courses actually. This is the table of courses. Right. Now what is the output we will get? Output we will get output for left join. लेफ्ट जॉइन. लेफ्ट जॉइन का रूल क्या है? लेफ्ट जॉइन का व्हाट इज द रूल ऑफ लेफ्ट जॉइन? सो it will get it will get all the rows from left table and matching rows from right table. ओके, समझ में आ रहा है आपको?
Mm-hmm.
तो ये समझ में लेने की कोशिश करो. डेटा और फॉर्मेट रैपिंग करे तो ऐसा रैप करे तो आपको यहाँ पे ये है. तो इट विल गेट ऑल द रोज मैच फ्रॉम लेफ्ट टेबल. तो 1 2 3 4 आ जाएगा. 1 2 3 4 आ जाएगा. ऊपर से क्या होगा? मैचिंग रोज फ्रॉम द राइट टेबल. मैचिंग रोज क्या क्या है? 1 2 3 4 यहाँ पे है. और
One, two, 1 to 4.
1 2 4 तो ऑलरेडी आ चुका है. फिर भी अपन बोल रहे हैं 1 2 4. तो एक्चुअली ऐसा आउटपुट आना है ना? एज पर वी नो. सो लेट्स चेक विथ SQL server right now. Okay, let's check with SQL server right now. So how to check with SQL server? First of all, we need to go to this database. Which database? Sample Superstore. So in that database, we created this students table and courses table. So to go to
Mm.
the database, what we need to write? Use database name sample superstore. You know, sample superstore. And inside this, if you want to check what all the tables we have created, there is a keyword. Once again, I'm repeating. Call select query, select star from students name sys dot tables. System tables. What all we have created so far in this database. We have created all these database, but currently we are working only with students and courses. students and courses. That's what we have created the tables. I mean create table is सारे कुछ create कर दिया. तो अभी वो tables को select करने के लिए क्या करना है, सेलेक्ट करने का क्या करना है कि यहाँ पे पेस्ट करके ऐसा शिफ्ट आल्ट दबा के और डाउन एरो दबा के आई मीन यू कैन डू लाइक दिस एंड देन सेलेक्ट स्टार from students and courses, and if you give termination symbol, that is fine, good enough. And next to that, if you give the go keyword for batching operations, that is a good practice in SQL Server, I mean SSMS. Now if you execute it right, you will get both the tables. So as we know, the same we are seeing in here also. If you see 1 2, no, here not 1 2 3 4 1 2 4 5, yes, correct,
Yes, correct.
correct. So to
Correct.
that, to that, how, what all we have brought, you can see in this table also. In student table, one alias Bob Charlie David वही है, और one max two science history वही है ना, both are correct, right? So now what is the, now what we need to do, now how the joins are, left join is created on this. So how this will be created, as I've told you, these both are this. First you need to write like select star from, select select स्टार फ्रॉम, है ना, ऐसा लिखते हैं कि, और स्टूडेंट को एस से भी बुला सकता है, स्कोर्स को
SC.
सी में भी, सी से भी बुला सकता है. तो अभी
तो
एग्जीक्यूट
किया
करे
था
तो भी,
हमने.
हाँ, एग्जीक्यूट करे तो भी सेम ही आंसर आता है. तो स्टूडेंट्स को अभी लेफ्ट क्या बोल रहे हैं अपन, लेफ्ट इज स्टूडेंट्स टेबल एंड राइट इज courses table, right? We are assuming in that way. So in that scenario, you just remove all this, select star from, and you just write left and join, left join courses. Okay, so on what we are create, on which by using common column, by using common column, using student
Column.
id. So on yes dot student id equal to c dot student id and termination symbol, then go operation, I mean batching operation. Now execute. Now 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, हमको
Four.
1 2, हाँ 1 2 3 4, तो क्या है, 1 2 4 भी आना है एक्चुअली, 1 2 4 भी आना है, मगर वी, बट वी गॉट, you can see in the second table we got 1 2 4 from the second table, yes or no,
Hmm.
got it.
Yes. Yeah.
But for in this scenario we got null and null, okay, yes,
Yeah.
okay. So we will ask to AI only, copy with the headers, copy with headers, what all we did, we will share this to AI, and we'll ask the answer, what it is this, what is this, okay,
Yeah.
fine. So I'll repeat again. Okay, I'll repeat again, and I'll ask to the AI. Now this is the AI. This is the AI. So I think this section already knows about this database and all. Student table उन्होंने बोला था अपन को create करो बोल के, तो हम create कर दिया. तो पूछ रहा है कि I'll show the output also, but let's leave it this. We will we will ask about this. Okay. Mm, hi. 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 Hi ChatGPT. Hi GPT. Okay. Hi GPT. Today, now left join. Left join when I'm understanding about left join. Hi GPT. Write I'll write and paste the understanding of SQL join, understanding of left join, left join with you. Guide me. Okay, with you. Explain me. Let's stop it like this. Okay, when I'm understanding about left join, So first point, what we first point what you are what we are what are what we are saying ki join is made with using common column है ना,
Right.
using common column. That common column is common column. In our case, okay. In our case, in our case, it is student ID. Okay, student ID. Student ID. Okay, in our case, student ID. So from both the tables, from both the tables, we got so as per our knowledge, left join is this. I mean to say, it will get all the rows from the left table and matching rows from the right table. From both these
Mm.
tables, so from both these tables, so what is so this we got this we got some queries coming.
Sound नहीं आ रहा है.
హలో
This call is now being recorded.
Sound नहीं आ रहा है.
ఎవరు రుషి చెప్పండి లే అస్సలు మేబీ బ్రో డెడ్ అంతే యా అవునవును పంపుతా నేను ఒక్క నిమిషం నేను క్లాస్లో ఉన్నా ఇప్పుడు ఒక 5-10 మినిట్స్లో పంపిస్తాను సో హలో రఫికా హలో హలో రఫికా హలో